Hello everyone, welcome back to Cryptologist. Today I am excited to introduce you an innovative crypto project that blending gaming, racing and blockchain technology. Let's dive into our games and see what's make it unique. So our games is launching our game token, a new token designed to revolutionize the racing and gaming industry with the blockchain integration, and let's explore what this project has to offer. So we are on the official website rgames.tech, and this is the R games racing artificial intelligence engineering. First up, we have the virtual garage. This is where you can showcase your vehicles collection and admire your upgrades. It is interactive 3D space where players can view and interact and manage their in-game vehicles, providing realistic and immersive experience. So we are on the website, and here you can see we can scroll down to the website, and we can see the back. We are backed by DAO makers and the popular media coverages, and this is amazing opportunity to invest in this great gaming experience. Welcome to our games, the virtual garage, the various modes, unique vehicle modeling and futuristic AI. So if you scroll down, you can see the story mode. There are multiple modes of our game. So the story mode, in this mode player progress through a series of races and challenges following a storyline with various characters and plot twists. The environment change depends on the location of race, from urban streets to professional tracks. And if you go to street racing, you can check it out. This mode take place on urban city streets with a variety of obstacles such as traffic, pedestrians and tight corners. And if you go to the Formula R, so Formula R is racing with Formula cars, and focus on professional racing with players competing in high speed racing on official F1 tracks. So, and the fourth one is the demolition mode. This mode revolves around not just navigating the track but also strategically demolishing opponent cars to gain a crucial advantage in the racing. And the last one is the off-road racing. This mode player go off head to head on challenges off-road terrains, piloting specially designed car built for the rugged collection. So this is how it works. These are the modes of our games, and this is the R garage I was talking about. And there are multiple modes: street racing, time trial, story mode, Formula One, and so on. So this is the legendary, and this is the rear horizon, and the common vortex and legendary space. This is a garage. You can check it out. And these are the unique modeling. The game features unique vehicles modeling, includes sports car, off-road trucks, buggies, motorcycles, F1 vehicles. The attention in detail with the models are truly inspired. And the futuristic AI. And this is the roadmap. The quarter one cars, and the quarter two racing, AI, game, and NFTs. You can pause the video to check it out and read all the details in video. And let's talk about the tokenomics. So our game is set to redefine the game and racing experience with the innovative features and blockchain integration. With enthusiasts of crypto investors, our games has something for you. And here you can see the total supply is mentioned here: 20% staking and farming incentive, 7% for pre-seeds, 5% for seed, 8% for private, 12% for public, 10% for team, 5% for advisors, 5% for marketing, 9% for development, and 19% for liquidity on CEX and DEX. And this is how this is tokenomics, and this is the core team. You can check it out. This is the team behind this, and these are the advisors. And if you go to the institutional advisors, you can check it out. All the institutional advisors are available here. And now let's talk about the social media. And our games launching on the Gate.io, Maxi, and PancakeSwap, BingX, and Radium. So you can check it out. You can also go to Bridge, or you can also stake this token. Let's check it out. So this is the DeFi.Fab belt, and here you can see, you can check it out. Our game manual, total deposit is also mentioned here, and pool rate is 7,424 our games per day, and APY is 20.58%. And if you want to stake or bridge, you can check it out. Let's go to the bridge, and we will redirect to the API debridge.finance and DSwap. Here you can see all the details about this bridge. And here you can see you can swap any coin into our games with single click. So this is how it works. You can also download the alpha. Just download the alpha, and you can also contact on the contact. And now let's talk about the social media accounts and Twitter and the YouTube channel. This is the official YouTube channel for our games. You can check it out, and this is how it works. Now let's talk about the social media accounts. This is the official Twitter account of our games. As you can see, this is verified account, and if you scroll down, you will see the amazing details on here. And here you can see our games representing Eid Mubarak to all Muslim friends and family. And this is the Unity games. Stay tuned. And here you can see this is the trailer. So we are about to step into the thrill multiplayer racing games, where you can battle neck and neck with friends and compete with rivals. So here you can see this is how it works. All the details is mentioned on this Twitter account as well. So if you scroll down, you can see all the other details as well. And this is the official Telegram our game official chat of Telegram, fully customized platform, multi games. And I will add all the links in the description so you can check it out. And if you go to YouTube, you will see 14 YouTube videos on this playlist of our games, where you can see the amazing review about cars and racing and the maps. So this is how it works. And now let me talk about the main key features. Fully customized platform, Unreal and Unity, interoperable NFTs, user generated content, integrated AI projects, and precision engineering. And there are 50,000 plus players from FabBat Studio, 300k players integrated with the VMAX, a partnership with other blockchains like Gala Chain, Ton Chain, Tezor, coming partnership with 100 KOLs worldwide. And on TGE April 8, 2024, ideal listing DAO Maker, Pools, Finance, Fine Speaker, and Gate Maxi Wings with marks, and produced by FabBat Studio. And this is the link of the Gleam.io, where you can see this is the amazing opportunity. Total entries has been 10,000 plus, and now I will show you how you can participate in this celebration of grand launch of another our company success, our games. We will referring of some prizes for royal community, and that we can give back to the love and have received became closer to community. So don't forget to complete all actions and unlock all entire. So this is the prize pool of $1 in USDT. You just have to log in. So the prize pool is $1,000, and the 50 winners will get $1 in USDT, and 50 will get. So log in with Google. I will select login with Google, and I will click on the link. That link appear. So I am going to log in with my email account. So after entering all the details, you just have to enter your date of birth. So I will select my date of birth here, and 999 notify me and the completion. I will click on continue, and this is how you send. So you have to complete all the details to boost your chances to unlock the entries. So this is how it works. Now let me show you how to download this game and play this game. So let's go to the application, and you can see the download button is here, or you can also download the app, the link in the description, so you can check it out. Download the game and let's play. So now let me show you how you can play this game. We are on the mobile screen, and I'm pausing the video, and the next screen will be on we are on mobile. And now we are on Dropbox DocSend, and this is the representation of our games. And let me talk about the FabBat Studio Community Awards and Hackathons. All the details is available on this chart, and you can download this in the video description, and you can check it out. So why our games? Mind-blowing games, high-end tournaments, variety of vehicles, virtual garage, unlimited entertainment, and so on. So formula or street race, story race, there are multiple modes, the product overview, the market landscape, and all the details is mentioned on this chart. So I highly recommend to check it out. You can also pause the video to read in detail, or you can also download this representation in the video description, so you can check it out, all the details available in this presentation. So that's I was talking about. So now let's go to our mobile screen. So here you can see this is the game I have downloaded in my mobile, and the control is very simple. You just have to press the pedal, and the second one is brake, brake and pedal. So you can see left and right control on the left side, and this is the another control of pedal and the brake. So this is an amazing game. You can earn while playing. So it has fun. Here you can see. Let me play the game again. So we are behind the blue car, and because I'm playing this game for first time, that's why I have lose control. So let's play. And I'm using pedal now. I know the control. So my current speed is almost 100, and let's check it out. You can see. That was a shortcut I didn't take. So that's the game. That's we played the game, and this is how you can do that. You can also download on the, this PC, and you can also install on this PC. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.